Welcome back to D Universal, your go-to source for smart financial growth. Today we're diving into the best money-making strategies that actually work. Whether you're looking to build wealth, escape the 9-to-5 grind, or create passive income streams, we'll be covering everything from side hustles you can start today to long-term investment strategies that can set you up for life. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. But with the right strategies and consistent effort, you can achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. So, let's get started. Look, the first thing you need to understand is that making money starts in your mind. You need to shift from a consumer mindset to an investor mindset. What does this mean? Instead of thinking about how to spend your next paycheck, start thinking about how to make your money work for you. Budgeting is key here, but it's not about restricting yourself. It's about having permission to spend wisely on the things you value and cutting back on the things you don't. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Once you have a handle on your finances, it's time to set some goals. But not just any goals, they need to be SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Want to buy a house in 3 years with a 20% down payment? Write that down, break it down into monthly savings goals, and track your progress. Now let's talk about making more money right now. One of the best ways to increase your income is by upskilling or reskilling. The job market is constantly evolving, so learning in-demand skills like coding, digital marketing, sales, or project management can open up a world of opportunities. Freelancing is another great option. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with skilled individuals for short-term projects. You can find gigs that match your skills and interests, set your own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. Don't forget about remote jobs and side hustles. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely list thousands of remote job openings across various industries. And if you're looking for something more flexible, consider side hustles like tutoring, transcription, or virtual assistants. These can be great ways to earn extra cash on your own time. And if you're feeling entrepreneurial, starting a service-based business could be your ticket to financial freedom. Think cleaning, landscaping, consulting. These businesses often have low startup costs and can generate income quickly. Remember, high-income skills equal high-income opportunities. Invest in yourself and your earning potential will skyrocket. Who wouldn't want to make money while they sleep? Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom, and it's more attainable than you think. One popular method is investing in dividend stocks and REITs. These investments pay you regular income in the form of dividends, providing a steady stream of cash flow without lifting a finger. Another option is to create and sell digital products. Ebooks, online courses, and printable planners can be created once and sold repeatedly, generating passive income for years to come. Affiliate marketing is another powerful strategy. By partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, you can earn commissions on every sale you generate. And speaking of YouTube and social media, starting a channel or podcast can be a lucrative way to monetize your knowledge and passion. Through ads, sponsorships, and memberships, you can turn your content into a source of passive income. Chapter 4. Investing is essential for building long-term wealth. The stock market, while intimidating to some, offers significant growth potential. Index funds like those tracking the S&P 500 provide a diversified way to invest in the market and have historically delivered solid returns over the long run. Real estate is another popular investment option. Buying rental properties can generate passive income and appreciate in value over time. And if you're not ready to become a landlord, crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with smaller amounts of capital. Crypto and Web3 are newer investment frontiers with the potential for high rewards, but also high risk. It's crucial to thoroughly research any investment in this space and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach, robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront can automate your investment strategy based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Chapter 5. Business and Entrepreneurship. Now, if you're ready to take the reins and build something of your own, starting a business is the ultimate path to financial freedom. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to start and scale a successful online business. One option is to start a digital agency offering services like SEO, advertising, and social media management. Businesses are always looking for help with their online presence, making this a lucrative field with high demand. Subscription models are another great way to generate recurring revenue. Think membership sites, online communities, or Patreon. By providing exclusive content or services to paying subscribers, you can create a predictable income stream. And of course, you can never go wrong with an online store. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon FBA make it easier than ever to sell products online, whether you're creating your own products or drop shipping from suppliers. Chapter 6: AI and Future-Proof Opportunities. The world is changing rapidly, and artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this transformation. Embracing AI and the opportunities it presents can give you a significant edge in the future job market. One in-demand skill is prompt engineering, learning how to craft effective prompts for AI tools to generate high-quality content or automate tasks. You can also leverage AI-based services to offer your own unique offerings. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E allow you to create content, images, and even videos using the power of AI, opening up exciting possibilities for entrepreneurs and freelancers. And if you've always wanted to build an app but don't know how to code, no-code app-building platforms like Bubble and Glide have got you covered. These platforms empower anyone to create and launch apps without writing a single line of code, making it easier than ever to bring your app ideas to life. Chapter 7: Final Tips: Multiply Your Streams. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you're feeling inspired and empowered to take control of your financial future. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a few final tips to help you maximize your success. First and foremost, reinvest your earnings. It's tempting to spend all the extra money you make, but reinvesting a portion of your profits back into your businesses or investments will help you grow your wealth exponentially over time. Secondly, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts so you can set it and forget it. This ensures you're consistently working towards your financial goals without having to think about it every month. And lastly, remember that making money isn't about luck. It's about leveraging your time, skills, and resources wisely. It's about taking action, being persistent, and never giving up on your dreams of financial freedom. Outgrow your wealth-building journey starts now. You now have the roadmap to financial freedom. It's time to choose your path and start building the life you've always wanted. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart choices today to secure a brighter tomorrow. If you found this valuable, give it a like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more financial freedom tips. Your wealth-building journey starts now. Let's go.